Hello everyone. Today I have came up with one of the very interesting and very useful video. It is regarding none other than our WhatsApp. Okay. So in our daily life the usage of the WhatsApp is keep on increasing, and we cannot imagine a day without WhatsApp. But problem is that the memory will keep on building up, and we are not getting the time in our busy schedule how to delete the unnecessary charts, how to delete the unnecessary videos, how to delete the unnecessary pics. Okay, so it is not only problem of one individual, not only problem of one community, it is problem with the student community, office going personnel, housewives. So I think I wanted to address this problem. This is a universal problem nowadays, and across the globe everybody is feeling the same problem. So to address that problem, we have a option. We have an option which is going to be introduced in some of the models, and which is already introduced in few models, and it will be completely automating your deleting process. It will save up your memory, save up your tension of searching the original message, required message among the many. And there are it will save your holidays. Normally I myself will delete, I will take some holidays, half an hour to 1 hour, sometimes it may be more than 1 hour, to check my phone itself what is the memory occupying, which media is to be deleted, which chat is to be deleted, because every message, everything got some limitation, some time limit. Till that only that media is required in your phone, but after that you need to dilute them. So but you may not get at that particular time. Now after this video you need not to do that. Your phone will automatically, the settings I am going to tell you, the if you are able to do that, and if it is already in your phone, or don't worry, if it is not present in your phone, it is will be introduced by the WhatsApp in all model by the end of this month, I hope. Okay, so with that feature, if you are enabling that feature, then automatically after certain period of time, automatically that everything, it will be video, it will be pic, it will be WhatsApp chat, everything will be deleted. But there are some precautions are also be taken, so don't forget to watch till the last of this video. Okay, and myself, I am Vijay Bhaskar, I am your chemistry mentor. I am making a videos on the chemistry lecture, but some of my students also having the same problem. Now online study has become a very compulsory. Okay, so once you are online, you have to have your phone with you. Once you have the phone, then you have to use the WhatsApp. So how to use the WhatsApp and how to utilize that in the right way without using your without going in the wrong direction, without wasting your time. So I felt that that's why I have made this video. Okay, now about my channel, which came is a YouTube channel. Primarily it is going to be within a short span of time, it is going to be encyclopedia of the chemistry. Okay, so that is all because of the my initial subscribers, and I hope all of you will subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. And don't forget to share it to your all friends, because the video I am going to make about the WhatsApp is required by every human being on the earth, because nobody is nowadays without the phone, and no phone is without the WhatsApp, and no WhatsApp, no phone is going to every time, let it be of any GB of memory, it will be definitely going to fill, and that person is not getting time to clear up the memory. Okay, so if you share this video, you are helping that person automatically, and you yourself also will be benefited. Okay, so and not only follow this type of videos, follow the chemistry videos also, so that every student at any stage of from the 10th class, from any grade, any class, some chemistry will be a problem. My intention is to not to make chemistry as a hurdle to your career. Okay, so I will try to teach in simplest English, so that across the globe, not in one place, not in one state, I am teaching in only in simple English, so that across the globe it can be utilized. Okay, So whenever you have a problem in your chemistry, come to the YouTube and type which chem and your chapter, which chem thermochemistry, which chem ionic equilibrium, which chem solubility, which chem GOC, like that you type and mostly you will get. If you are not getting, don't worry, just drop a comment with your requirements in the comment section. I am going to help you. And there are certain people who are new to this online study. So YouTube is the best platform to learn lot of things, but there are some drawbacks also. So how to avoid the drawbacks and how to utilize my channel in a perfect way, that I am going to tell you. After that, we will start with the automation process of the WhatsApp. I am not going to take much time. Stay with me. Let's. Okay, now we are at the YouTube. Here, press the search button. Okay, then type which chem. Then which chem YouTube channel will be opened. So as lot of videos are there, lot of topical videos are there. So how to search them effectively and easily, smartly. So press here which chem. Okay, then you will get home, videos and playlist, community, channels and about. Then you press playlist button. Okay, so in the playlist you will get one shot series, chapter wise series, exam information and previous year question, 3D series, lot of videos are there regarding the wide variety, like some organic topics are there which are very high scoring, that need to be taken care of specially. So now how to reach your topic smartly? First come to the one shot catalyzer series, or you can press any chapter wise also. Okay, so what is this one shot catalyzer crash course? It is almost all chapters are going to be covered. Some are already covered, some are going to be covered in within one lecture only. Okay, but it is one lecture, it does not mean that we will skip some topics. All formulas are included, all tricks are included. So that's why some videos are lengthy, like some are 2 hours, some are 45 minutes, depending on the chapter and the scoring. Okay, so you can select the required chapter. Okay, suppose atomic structure. So here in the atomic structure, it is a playlist. Here you have the all one shot series and some more are going to be included here. And before going to any, after completion or before going to anything, just check the description here. Okay, so in the description you will have, see, one atomic structure in one shot. Okay, and that entire chapter list will be here in the description box. Atomic structure complete playlist is given here. Okay, so I hope all of you will follow Whichchem YouTube channel and get benefited. Now we will see how to delete the, how to make the automation process of your WhatsApp. Okay, let's start. Is your WhatsApp messages occupied more space? Yes. If some WhatsApp chats are not required after some days, yes. These are the some answers given by the most of the subscribers of the WhatsApp. Okay, users of the WhatsApp have same feeling. Okay, then WhatsApp you introduced a new feature, disappearing messages feature. So who can enable this, how to enable this, and how to safeguard some important messages out of this. So that is what I am going to tell you. Let's get start. Okay, first question it will come to your mind is disappearing message feature on WhatsApp. After how many days the messages will be deleted? After 7 days, automatically messages will be deleted. After 7 days, it will be deleted. Okay. Is this disappearing messages feature works on what? It will works on the Android, iOS and Linux. Presently it is given, it is already enabled in some of the users, and by the month end of this month or within few days it will be activated to the most of the WhatsApp users. So don't get hurry, everything will be in your WhatsApp, but I want that before it comes to your phone you should know the feature. That's why I have made this video. So what are the things WhatsApp disappearing messages will delete? It will delete photos, videos after 7 days, while message will disappear for the both parties. Both parties means in your phone also and the person to whom you have sent the messages also. Okay, it will take 7 days. It will delete photos and videos. Now the next question is who can activate the disappearing message? Suppose in individual chat, one to one chat, then anybody can activate. But in the group chat, okay, in the WhatsApp group, only admin can activate the disappearing message feature. Then question comes if it is disappeared after 7 days. If it is disappeared on 7 days, if you have some important messages, important media, then you take a backup. Okay. So for messages and for, photos, pics, you can take a screenshot, and for video you can download and you can keep it in the other place. Suppose if you are replied to a disappearing message, then the quoted text might remain in the chat after 7 days also. Suppose you have disappearing message activated and you have forwarded to the another person. If a disappearing message forwarded to a chat with the disappearing messages off, then message won't disappear in the forwarded chat. That person who have not activated disappearing messages, for him it will be remain. But for you, as you have activated the disappearing message feature, it will remain. Okay, sometimes if user creates a backup before message disappears, then will be included in the backup, yes, but disappearing messages will be deleted when user restores from the backup. If you suppose today we have sent some messages, tomorrow you have taken backup of that chats, then as soon as you restore from that day within 7 days, that backup messages which are in the disappearing messages will be deleted. Do you want to enable or disable the WhatsApp disappearing message feature? Okay, sometimes you may feel that disappearing feature is not required, so you should be able to delete, disable also. When you are interested, you can enable also. So how to do that, let us see. See, this is the contact from which the messages need to be deleted. Press on that contact. Okay, then see what the screen will be. Then you will find a screen like this: mute notification, custom notification, media visibility. Then here disappearing message will be there. If you already if it is not switched on, you can press here, then disappearing message will be activated. And if already activated, if you double press it, then it will be deactivated or disabled. So once your disappearing message is activated, then you will get a confirmation like this. You turned on the disappearing messages, new messages will disappear from this chat after 7 days. If you wanted to again disable or enable, you can tap here to change. If you want some more features of updates like WhatsApp Pay and many more information, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel to your friends, family, so that they can also understand and use the smartphone in the smartest way. And don't forget to spend your quality time at Whichchem YouTube channel before sleeping yourself. You should ask yourself that have you done Whichchem today? Every day your half an hour I want you to spend on the Whichchem YouTube channel. See you, bye bye.